Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that